If Canva is down for you, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to walk you through a few quick fixes that can often get it working again in just a couple of minutes. Whether Canva is stuck loading, not opening, or showing an error page, these steps are simple, safe, and easy to follow. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick software fixes just like this. Let's jump right in. First, go ahead and refresh the page. Sometimes Canva just has a temporary loading issue, and a simple refresh is all it takes. If you're on a computer, you can click the refresh button in your browser or use the keyboard shortcut. After refreshing, give it a moment and see if Canva loads properly. If it's still not working, the next thing to check is your internet speed. A slow or unstable connection can make Canva appear down even when the service itself is fine. Open your browser and search for speed test. Then run a speed test and look at both your download speed and your connection stability. If your internet is very slow, that could be the reason Canva is not loading correctly. If the connection looks weak, try switching networks. For example, if you're currently on Wi-Fi, switch to a mobile hotspot. If you're on a hotspot, try a different Wi-Fi connection. This is a great way to quickly figure out whether the issue is with your network or with Canva itself. After switching, reload Canva and check if it opens normally. Another common fix is disabling any VPN or proxy you might be using. Sometimes Canva can block or struggle with certain VPN connections, which can cause loading problems, login issues, or partial page errors. If you have a VPN turned on, pause it temporarily, then reopen Canva and test again. The same goes for any proxy settings or browser privacy tools that may be interfering with the connection. If Canva still seems down, try clearing your browser cache. Over time, old cached files can cause websites to behave strangely or fail to load properly. If you're using Chrome, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, then choose Privacy and Security. From there, select Clear Browsing Data. Make sure to clear the cached images and files, then confirm the action. Once that's done, close and reopen your browser, then try Canva again. If you want the best chance of fixing the issue, it's a good idea to go through these steps in order. Refresh first, check your internet, switch networks, disable VPN or proxy, and then clear your cache. In many cases, one of these fixes will solve the problem right away without needing anything more advanced. And if Canva is still down after all of that, the issue may be on Canva's side rather than yours. In that case, waiting a little while and trying again later is often the best next step. But usually these quick checks are enough to get things back on track. If this video helped you fix Canva down, please hit like and subscribe so you don't miss more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.